How to, say it for me, how to infer. Excellent. How to infer while you're reading. I am going to help coach you through your own inferences. So everybody has a small task card in front of them with a short piece of text. It's very simple. And each task card has the same two questions. What can you infer? Or what, that basically means what do you think? What can you infer? What's your inference? And what clues tell you that? So that just means what evidence is there in the text. So you have to come up with, I infer that, and you can use any of the keywords that I modeled for you. I think that, maybe, I infer, perhaps, or this could mean. So you have two parts to the question. The first part is what you infer. The second part is how do you know that. So what's my big word that I always use? You have to show me proof. You have to show me proof. Where's the proof in the text? So you're going to read your pieces, and on the back of your task card, you're going to write your inference, and you're going to write your evidence from the text. I am here to coach you through, so if you have any problems, you can just raise your hand, but the pieces should be fine. So off you go, you read your piece, and on the back of the task card, Montez, can you tell me the first thing you're going to do in the back of the task card?
Write down your answers.
Excellent. Write down your answers, and on the second question, what are you going to do, Immaculate?
You're going to write your
Excellent. Your clues or your proof. Well done. Okay. Off you go. Pardon? Show me. Okay. Okay, so what can you infer? What do you think has happened in that piece of text that the author hasn't told you? Well, what's happening in the text? Okay, so what can you infer by that? Why would they have to call their parents? So they are what? Excellent. So perhaps they are with who? And who else? Very good. And what clues tell you that? The test. What in the text tells you that? What part of the text? Well, where are they? Let's talk specifically. And usually what happens when people are sent there? Because? Very good. I think you've got it. I think you're just overthinking it a little bit. I think that inference is perfect, and that proof that you've just identified is perfect. So grab your pencil and write it on the back. Make sure to write your names on them, please.
That's the answer to the question.
Yeah, of course. Okay. can you infer from this? What do you think the author hasn't told you? Okay, so that's a very good inference. So you can infer that what? Excellent. So that's what you think is happening, correct? What makes you think that? What are the clues that make you think that? Uh-huh. What else? Very good. I think that's perfect. I like that inference a lot, and I think that the evidence or the clues which you've identified in the text back up and support your inference. I think that's excellent. Anyone else? Mecca, how are you getting on? Okay. Okay, what's happening in this? What's happened in the story? In the little piece of text. So where is she? Okay, so she's in her bed. What's she doing in her bed? Okay, I want you to read it once more, and I want you to tell me what you think is happening. Okay, I want you to read it once more to yourself. Samari, I'll be right there. I'll be right back. You read that, and I want you to stop and think what's happening in the text, or why might Rachel be doing the things that she's doing. Yes? I can. Snorkels.
Snorkels and sandcastle bucket. Mom packed the sunscreen towels, and a picnic lunch. Unlike at the house, the sun is shining at the destination, and they knew it would be a perfect day.
Okay, so what can you infer? So remember, what do we say an inference was? You can look back up at the chart if you need to.
An inference is something we figure out.
Okay, so what can you figure out about this text?
I can figure out that we're going to go to the beach.
Excellent. That's your inference. So I infer that.
I can infer that they are going to the beach.
Fabulous. And what are your clues to back that up?
My clues are, I know they're going to the beach because they are packing suitcases and bringing sandcastle buckets.
Fabulous. That's your it's your inference, and you backed it up with evidence, and I think that works perfectly. I'm coming. Are you finished? Excellent. Are you finished? I'll be right there. Are you finished? Need help? Okay, I'll be right there.